This is beef with cauliflower, a simple Chinese homemade stir-fry that my mom made for me so I would eat more vegetables. Look at this beautiful piece of beef, covered in a glossy, savory, slightly salty, and sweet sauce. And this is a secret, which will make your cauliflower taste 100 times better. This is a quick meal to make at home, and even pack for lunch next day. And if you got kids that love to eat beef and want them to try cauliflower, this is a dish to make it happen. It definitely did for me. It's a simple meal, simple ingredients, but packed with flavors that anyone can make at home. And you only need one pan. Hey everyone, my name is Wally. I like it, I cook it, and I share it. Here is the recipe. We're going to start with the cauliflower first. After giving it a thorough wash, break it down into chunks like this. Cauliflower tastes really light, so when I cook cauliflower, I tend to be a bit heavy-handed on the seasoning. Use just enough water to cover the cauliflower and add a few teaspoons of salt. We're going to parboil the cauliflower in some simmering water. Cook it just until you can stick a fork in it. You definitely don't want to overcook it, it'll get too mushy and it'll taste just not so good. And then just strain it and set it aside. And here I've got 500 grams of flank steak, about 1 pound or 16 ounces. This recipe will serve about 2 people, or just one of me. Cut the beef into slices. Be sure that you cut against the grain. I'm using flank steak. It is generally known as a tougher cut of beef, but it is widely used in Chinese restaurants for stir fries. But if you do it just right, it is very tasty and economical. With these simple and traditional Chinese seasonings, we're going to transform this tough cut of beef into something magical. We need some soy sauce, some Chinese cooking wine, or you can use dry sherry, a bit of sugar, some ground white pepper, some dark soy sauce for color, and a little bit of sweetness. And of course, we need oyster sauce. Plus half a teaspoon of baking soda. There are a couple more ingredients, but I like to mix these up first for now, making sure that all the beef gets coated with the seasoning. And now we add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. The cornstarch is going to help seal in the moisture during cooking, making your beef tastier and tender. Then add a few tablespoons of oil too. I'm using vegetable oil. It will help keep the beef from sticking together. Mix it well for another minute, let it marinate for about 15 minutes in the refrigerator, which gives us some time to prepare the all-important sauce and a couple of aromatics. In this bowl, I've got some chicken stock. You can also use plain water, and to it I'm going to add some sugar, some oyster sauce, and finally, some dark soy sauce. Just stir it up and set it aside. For the aromatics, just half a thumb-sized fresh ginger cut into matchsticks. And mince up 4 large cloves of garlic. Just like that, and it's all good. Now we heat a pan on a medium-high heat. When it smokes, add a few tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm using vegetable oil. You can use any oil you want as long as it has a neutral taste. Toss in the sliced marinated beef, stirring one side for just a few minutes. Don't rush this part. You want that beef to have a nice sear with some color. few minutes later, take a peek. If it's easy to flip, it's ready. If it's still stuck to the pan, give it another 15 seconds or so. Cook the beef about 80% done, and then add the ginger plus the garlic. Keep stirring around for around 15 seconds for the aromatics to cook and give up its flavors. Then, we add a tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine or dry sherry. Mix and stir for another 10 seconds, and then we add the sauce. Mix around for a little bit, and then toss in the cauliflower and coat it with the sauce for about 1 to 2 minutes. By now, the tender slices of beautiful beef is completely cooked. I like to eat this with a nice bowl of rice, or you can add it to your favorite instant ramen, whatever makes you happy. Try this one, folks. I know you'll all love it. As always, I do make deliveries. I take Bitcoins and Camels as payment. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.